guys, this is Jessica with Jessica Chats, and today I'm going to be opening up my IPSY made package. Show you guys what I got. Hopefully I like everything. I am doing a bare face today. I will be doing a makeup tutorial, so you probably see me in the same little outfit or whatever, because it's going to be the same day. The videos may air different days, but this is just all in one day. So let's get started on this IPSY May package, and let's see if I like everything. So first of all, you guys, if you haven't subscribed and you've been watching quite a few of these videos and you like what you see, hit the subscribe button on the below the word subscribe. Click that button. If you like my videos, hit the thumbs up for the like. Comment way down below. Scroll all the way down and hit the comments. Let me know what you think, and I'll try to comment as soon as I can. So here's my package. Here's what it came in. Don't want to give you my address away. I already kind of opened it a little bit, but I haven't opened it. So this reveal is going to be the same. I like the bag. Giving me some pastel colors, which is cool. I was going to do what's trending, and what's trending right now going into the summer is pastels. We're going into like a pastel colors coming out of spring into the summer, and then there are a few choices of bold colors, such as this darker navy and a bold red. So whether it's lip, a dress, eyeshadow, whatever, a bold red is coming in too. Alright, let me see what I got on this first thing here. Loving Life. What is it? Can you see that? Either way, I'm trying to see where it can go to for you to read it, but you know, it's the camera. What do you expect? This is perfume. It's not bad. I am not big on trying a whole bunch of different fragrances because I know my scent on my body, and I like to try to stick with those few scents that I like. But it does smell good. What else do they have in this little bag? Elizabeth Mott Pop Goes the Shadow. Ooh. Will I be purchasing it? Let's see. Oh, I like that. It is a blue, you guys. Yay. I kind of like that. Let's see. Good. Good. It's nice blue. I'll try it. I still have that color blue in a different eyeshadow. As you can tell, like, I do a lot of nude colors. Like, I don't really try a lot of bold colors. Every once in a while I will, but not so much. Okay. Lord and Berry. A crayon lipstick. Oh. Yes. Yeah, I like that color. I like it. It's nude. See the bottom lip from my top lip? Let's see. I like it. Put a little lip gloss on top. And what you think? I like it. Probably will purchase that one. What else? Nail polish. Who is it by? Pretty Woman. Can you see? Can I open it? Maybe. Oh, they giving me a bold. I don't know about that one. That is, I mean, to you guys, it looks like it could be blue, but it's actually like a purple. My dog is here. I have a dog, you guys. Brandy. Let's see. Can you see that? The purple. It's not bad, but I don't know about that purple, you guys. We'll see. And then, of course, it comes with a little card. And there's one more thing in this bag. A new makeup brush. And I've been needing one. I'm going to do a tutorial on my makeup, as well as I'm going to show you how to clean your makeup brushes and your sponges. Keep your brushes, the brush tip, healthy. Like, you guys, I can't. Oh, okay, there it goes. I can't open it. Anyway, see that brush? That does look nice. I was needing this one too. Oh yeah. It's eyeshadow brush. Oh my God! It has little jewels on it. You see it? Oh, that's so cute. Anyway, I'm going to be showing you how to maintain your brushes, so when you're washing them and cleaning them. So I'll do a video on that soon as well. That's all in my IPSY package. I liked most of the stuff except for the perfume. The nail polish is kind of growing on me a bit. I don't know if I would do that like on regular everyday, but you know, maybe a date night or something. Try to go do a little something different. Okay, you guys. So that is what was in my bag. The fragrance, purple nail polish, blue eyeshadow, lipstick crayon, and of course my brush. This is probably about the best thing that I've liked in this bag, is this brush, because I needed it. Like, I really needed it. Everything else, you know, it is what it is. So thank you for opening up my May IPSY bag with me. Quick little video, nothing major. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. Comment below if you got an IPSY bag that you like, or different products that you think I should try. Let me know. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. This is Jessica with Jessica Chats. Stay tuned for another video, you guys. Bye.